Hello guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So in the previous video, we are discussing about the universal gate. So NOR gate and the NAND gate is called the universal gate. So the basic representation of NOR gate is A plus B bar, or we can say it is A bar dot B bar. The basic representation. So why it is called the NOR gate? So we are implementing all the basic gates using the NOR gate. So NOR gate as a NOT gate. So NOT gate as a NOT gate. So for this, so if A is a basic input, so if we implement this thing as a NOT gate, so we get y is equal to A plus A tar whole bar. So we can say A bar. So this is act as a NOT gate. So act as a NOT gate. So number of NAND gate, NOR gate is equal. So NOR gate is required 1. One NOR gate is required for implementing this NOT gate. So secondly, NOR gate as a OR gate. So NOT gate as a OR gate. So for this, AB as the input parameter, if we NOR of this thing, so we get y is equal to A plus B bar, and if we again NOR of this thing, so we get y is equal to A plus B bar the whole bar. So bar is cancelled out, so A plus B. So for OR logic, so number of gate is required NOR gate. So 2 NOR gate equal to required 2 NOR gate required for implementing this OR gate. And lastly and most important thing, NOR gate as a AND gate. AND gate is very much important. So NOR as a and NAND as a OR. So we are passing A as the NOR gate. So we get y is equal to A plus A bar means A bar, and B. So we get y is equal to B bar, and again we merge up these two. So we get y is equal to A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So if we apply De Morgan's law, so y equal to get A double bar dot B double bar. So we are bar cancel out, we get y is equal to AB. So this is act as a AND gate. So number of gate is required 3. 3 NOR gate is required. 3 NOR gate is required. NOR gate is required. So for this logic, which a very important concept is came, very important concept. So if we consider any gate, if we consider any function as a plus b or a plus b and c plus d format. If we consider as any function a plus b and c plus d format, minimum number of NOR gate is required. NOR gate is required is 3. So 3 number of NOT gate is required. So this came upon in the minimizations of the gates question. So if we getting any function a plus b dot c plus d format, so number of NOT gate is required 3. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye, have a nice day.